In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use eBay Desktop. Whether you're a seasoned online shopper or new to eBay, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know to shop efficiently using eBay's desktop platform. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and type in ebay.com in the address bar. Hit enter and you'll be taken to the eBay homepage. If you already have an account, locate the sign in button at the top left corner of the page. But if you're new to eBay, don't worry, you'll see an option to register right next to it. Go ahead and click that if you're creating a new account. Once you're on the sign in or registration page, you have a few options. You can enter your email and password, or if you prefer a quicker method, you can use your Google or Apple account to log in with just a few clicks. Now let's focus on how to shop using eBay Desktop, specifically tailored for buyers. You'll notice a search bar prominently placed at the top of the page. This is your go-to tool for finding products. Simply type in what you're looking for, whether it's a gadget, clothing, or collectibles, and press enter. To refine your search results, you can take advantage of the various filters available. Once your initial search results appear, look for filter options where you can narrow down your choices by category, condition, price range, and whether the items are available through auction or buy it now. When you start browsing through the listings, take some time to read the product descriptions carefully. Sellers will typically include detailed information about the item's features and condition. Understanding this can help ensure you're making the right purchase decision. Another crucial step is to examine the seller's feedback. This helps you gauge their reputation and reliability. A seller with positive feedback is generally a safer choice, so keep that in mind as you peruse your options. While you're reviewing an item, it's also wise to check for any listings that mention returns accepted or offer free shipping. These can add extra convenience and protection to your purchase. Let's talk about purchasing methods now. If you decide to buy immediately, look for the buy it now option, which lets you purchase the item instantly without waiting for the auction to conclude. However, if you're eyeing items listed for auction, you'll have the opportunity to place a bid. You can also set up automatic bidding to ensure you remain the highest bidder without manually updating your bid every time. Once you're ready to purchase, you'll proceed to the checkout process. Here, select your preferred payment method, which could be a credit card, PayPal, or even a gift card. After completing your purchase, you can track everything by heading over to My eBay and selecting Purchase History. This section not only keeps you organized, but also allows you to click on Track Package for updates on the delivery status of your items. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to navigate and shop using eBay Desktop. Happy shopping, and be sure to keep these pointers handy for a smoother eBay experience.